Assalamu alaikum. Is it bid'ah to wipe the face with our hands after making dua with open palms?
I mean, what do you mean when you say bid'ah? Because one is understanding what is the definition of a bid'ah. So any action which is really for your ibadah and you're worshipping Allah, when a person introduces any matter into the deen which is not part of the deen, and that normally we would say it will be rejected. So generally, even when one is making a dua in the prayer, you'll see, like even just like how when one goes and he is going to sleep, before sleeping, and he reads a prayer, and he even reads a portion of the Quran, and then also he wipes over his entire body or he blows into it. So generally we say when a person is raising his hands and making dua, he does not have to wipe his face. Yes, that is understood. And if somebody does so, I personally feel that it doesn't bring him and doesn't draw him to the action of bid'ah. And Allah Ta'ala knows best. It is more about his completion and showing that sign that he's completed his dua and his prayer. So it is like saying, if a person doesn't wipe his face, alhamdulillah, just raise his hands and he made a dua and he didn't wipe. And if a person also wipes his face, then that action also is accepted. And Allah Ta'ala knows best.
Jazakallah khair, Shaykh.